Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix notification problem in Redmi 12 5G version or in another Android phone that you can use right now. It's very easy. Just go to the setting button here, and if you want to search the notification, this is the quick way. So you can type notification here. So this one is notification sound, ringtone, and if you take a look here, there is a notification, a option. There's some notification option. This one, notification access. Here you can tap load that notification that the you want to, the application that you want to turn on or turn off notification. And also this one, you can search on notifications and status bar. You can tap it. You can manage notification here, and this is all the app that you can adjust the notification option here. So you can turn on and turn off the application that have that you want to keep the notifications option on, or you want to turn off the notification one of the apps. It's very easy to do it in manage notification feature of your Android. So please feel to try fix notification problem in your phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, press the button below. See you in the next video.